I'm doing an unboxing on the ESR or a wallet stand. ESR is the #1 selling brand on Magsafe accessories. They sell chargers, wallets, and car mounts. This is how the packaging looks. The wallet has 5 card slots. It has 2 ways that you can hold the wallet. It can be in portrait mode or landscape mode, and the magnet is strong. This is the wallet stand. I got it in the color lavender. This is where you can store your cards in this slot. Now I'm going to open it up. On this side, you can store your ID, and on this side, you can put additional credit card or debit card. So I'm going to show how easy it is to stick on the back of your phone. Wow, isn't that cool? This is the wallet stand in portrait mode. This is the stand in landscape mode. You can watch YouTube and read. Wow, this is so convenient when going shopping and paying for dinner. My discount code KEY20OFF to save 20% off your order. The wallet stand is made out of vegan leather and it's lightweight. I will leave the link down below in the description box. Thanks for watching.